Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you who stayed here, supported the channel, and continued watching my videos, even though I haven't uploaded anything for the past 7 months. I genuinely appreciate every single like, every single comment, and every single view. One video in particular reached 1.5 thousand views and 39 likes, which is honestly so rewarding. It shows me that my content is actually helping you, that it's needed, and that motivates me to create more videos. One particular viewer, Olivia, mentioned that video helped them right before grade 3 exam. And I just want to say I really hope that you've got the result you were aiming for. Please do share it with us in the comments. I'd love to know what you've got. So, where have I been for the past 7 months? Well, a lot has been happening behind the scenes. I'm currently in the final year of my bachelor's degree in music with the Open University, and I have to say it has been an immensely positive experience for me. It's been a 6-year journey, a real learning curve, and honestly, it changed me beyond what I ever could expect. If you're curious about what it's like to study with the Open University, what to expect, or what challenges you might face, let me know in the comments, and I will make a separate video on that. Alongside university, I've also been busy writing a book called The Fully Booked Music Teacher. The book is essentially a summary of my 18 years of experience running private music tuition business. The book isn't long and is written in easy-to-understand language without technical jargon or unnecessary waffling. Everything in this book is designed to help you to get your music tuition business up and running within 2 weeks, if you follow the steps carefully. Of course, the results will vary depending on your effort, consistency, and individual circumstances. But the content is enough to help you get started within 2 weeks. I cover all the essentials needed to run successful music tuition business, and I really mean all of the essentials, from your terms and conditions and right through to day-to-day operations. I will show you how to screen inquiries so that you attract committed and suitable students, how to stay confident and in control in most challenging situations, and how to position yourself ahead of your competition. You will learn how to turn 99% of your contacts into long-term students and make a strong first impression from the very first lesson. You will also learn how to reduce cancellations and late payments, and how to handle parents' communications in a calm and professional way. The book also covers how to streamline your admin, protect your time and boundaries, and build a fully functioning business independently without hiring other people. And these are just some of the topics. There is so much more. So if you're thinking about starting your music tuition business, but don't know where to start yet, or if you are already teaching, but struggling with things like pricing, setting professional boundaries, late payments, high student dropout levels, or any other aspect of running your business, this book is definitely for you. Join the waiting list via the link in the description, and I will make sure you'll get an exclusive early bird discount when my book launches this summer. So, what are my plans for this channel? Moving forward, I'd like to expand it. My main focus will still remain on tutorials and videos for piano students, but I'll also be creating content for music teachers as well. I'll be covering some of the most controversial topics no teacher really likes talking about, but almost everyone struggles with, namely how to deal with delayed payments, attendance issues, parental complaints, setting strong personal boundaries, and of course maintaining them, and discussions about terms and conditions, student development, syllabus planning, and how to organize your schedule so that you have time for yourself. So if there is anything you ever struggled with, or are struggling at the moment, and want clarity on, please do ask your questions in the comments. This will be really helpful because I will be using your questions to shape the content for the next videos. Once again, thank you so much for your support, your patience, and for being here. I really appreciate it, and I'm excited to be back.